Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the TWS Pro earphones, and these are budget earphones that you can get them pretty cheap. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in purchasing one of these. Like I said, they are budget earphones and they work pretty nicely. Before we go on to the unboxing and setup video, please hit that subscribe button so you can get the latest news when we release new videos. So let's get into it. The earphones, they come into this plastic packing, and inside the packing we've got a manual instruction, we've got the earphones, and we've got a charging cable. So on the manual, so we've got the TWS Pro user manual, and you can see here that with a microphone port, LED indicator, touch area, and this product features Bluetooth 5.3, and it's pretty neat as well. Let's have a look into it. So I'll just get this out of the way, and we've got the charging dock here. So the charging dock on the back here, you've got a USB port here for charging. It does come with a cable, so you connect it to a wall charger or to a computer to charge it. And here at the top we've got the percentage available charging. So the dock itself has a battery, and as you are moving about your day, you can actually charge the battery with the charging dock. So let's go ahead and open this up, and here you can see the earphones. They look pretty nice, so I'm just going to remove them out of the case or charging dock. Looks pretty nice, very beautiful. Actually like this one. Might just keep one for me. And we've got the earphones over here, so they look pretty good. It's got this nice gloss design to it, and yeah, it actually looks pretty good. There is a so you've got the speaker right over there, so you've got a little speaker outlet over on this side, and out here you've got the microphone also. So it will allow you to receive calls, listen to music, and you can use it whilst walking, whilst sitting down on your office, whilst doing some sports as well. So it's just pretty cool, right? It does look pretty nice. So it is in pairing mode right now, but just want to show you very quickly, if you want to charge your earphones and your charging dock, just simply place the earphone on the charging dock. It will start charging. Just going to place both of them right now, so they are both charging. And I'm going to use a power bank here as a demo, just to show you how you will charge your earphones. So basically, on the power source, connect your USB cable, and once connected, just connect the other hand to the charging dock, and it lights up. So it's lighting up green and red. So that means that it's charging, and you can see here, so it's at 57% now, and as it charges, it will go to 58, 59, and so on, up to 100%. Okay, so that's the way that you charge it. So I'm just gonna disconnect it now, and let's pair these with a phone. So we've got our test iPhone here, and to pair it, basically we open Bluetooth on your phone, and I am going to remove the earphones from the case. And as you remove them from the case, they will now go into pairing mode. So you will see that they will start blinking red and green. And here we go. So it has identified on my device here as TWS Pro. Select TWS Pro, and it will connect. So it's now connected. I can now go on YouTube and play something, or on TikTok for this instance. I'm just going to place them on my ears right now. Let's open TikTok and put up the volume. It's actually pretty good. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. The quality is excellent, and you can use this to listen to your music, to listen to podcasts, videos, etc., movies. The quality is actually pretty alright. And yeah, like I mentioned, I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in purchasing one of these. They are currently available for sale, and like I said, they are pretty cheap. They are budget earphones, and yeah, pretty. The case is very beautiful as well, so you can carry this around with you, and that is it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.